welcome back to my channel. I'm Shelly. Today we are doing a power half hour. I have 30 minutes on my lunch today to get as much clean in the house as I can. The living room's kind of destroyed. The kitchen needs a little wipe down. My little boy's room, I don't even know how it gets the way that it does. But I mean, he doesn't even have a lot of stuff in there, but it just kind of gets crazy. So please like this video if you like speed cleans. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but I have lots of cleaning videos. I have hauls and routine videos for a working mom. So you might be interested in that. If you are, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload. And let's get into it. Alright, I decided to start my little boy's room. It was the room giving me kind of the biggest headache. I don't know, all the blankets and everything, his bed situation gets a little crazy. It's quick to clean up and it was driving me nuts. So this is where I'm starting. And I love this hanging compartment. I put all of his diapers, his wipes, bibs, rags. I love it. I totally recommend it. I will link it below. I believe I got it from my baby shower, but I know they purchased it on Amazon. So I will try and find it and link it below for you. And I was trying to make sure that I was in frame, but I kind of kept everything slowed down today so you kind of get a gist of really how much I was able to get done and how fast it takes me, just so it's a little bit more realistic. I hope you enjoyed this style. Let me know if you do. How do you guys manage all of your child's blankets and stuffed animals? I feel bad giving any away because a lot of people have made them or they're for special occasions. I have a hard time giving them away. I feel like a jerk. But, oh man, there's just so many. We've given so many of his blankets to his grandma's so that he has them there when he's over. And then we still have a ton at our house. I don't know. And yes, we don't have sheets on his mattress yet, and so I just cover them with blankets. But I really like this blanket. It was ours, and we just decided to put it in his room. It's more snugly for him, and we don't really need it anymore. But yeah, let me know what your guys' tips are. And I just love having these bins, but I am in search of like a better bin for all of his stuffed animals and all of his blankets. It just gets so out of hand and ends up looking cluttered when it really doesn't need to be. I don't know. Let me Right here I'm showing you guys this book. It is so stinking cute. The animals are made with like different objects, and there's like fingerprints that have texture on them. It teaches them how to count and they can feel it. I will link that below as well. He loves it. It's super cute. It counts up like to 10, of course, but yeah, I'll link it below. Your little kiddos will love it. I know it. Ah, isn't that nice? Just when it's nice and clean and straightened up. And of course, I just chucked all of these clothes, so I'm just gonna plop them on top of the dryer so the next time we do the boys' clothes, which is in the next day, it's ready to go. Now I'm just gonna quickly wipe up as much as I can in the kitchen. I had a bagel toasting so that I can hurry and grab that when I go back to clock in after lunch. So I just use my lunch when I'm working at home as a time to hurry and like pick up the house or do as much as I can or film a video, edit a video, and then I just take my food with me and I just eat while I work. It's just how I've learned how to cram everything in. and my 30 minutes are up and it is time to clock back in. I am going to be folding my son's clothes while I'm working as well. Just another way that I cram everything in and multitask. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Power Half Hour, and I hope you enjoyed. It's a little bit more slowed down because I didn't have as much footage, so I thought, you know, I might as well give it a little bit more realistic editing style this time and see if you like it. I kind of like it a lot better this way, and I don't have to film quite as long throughout the day, so I can probably get more videos up this way. Let me know if you liked it, just so I can have some good positive feedback. I love construction for, you know, improving my channel. So again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave me a comment below. What do you want to see me clean? What kind of routine would really like benefit you? What are you guys looking for? I want to help other moms out there, you know, with living their life and see what works in their routine. That's why I really started this, because there wasn't a lot out there for working moms showing like what their routine is. And that is definitely understandable because we are just spinning our wheels every day. Not saying that stay-at-home moms don't either, because I would probably lose it not having a break from my son, even though I love him. But I do appreciate the time away so that I can be super present when he's here. But there just needed to be, there's tons of stay-at-home mom videos so you can kind of like adapt certain routines or figure out ways that might make your life a little bit easier. But there wasn't a whole lot for working moms. So I am so excited and proud that I am kind of, you know, I'm sprinkling the little seed out there for more working moms. Let me know if you appreciate it or what you want to see from me. Also, let me know if you're a working mom. Do you have a YouTube channel? Let me know. I would love to check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I will see you on Friday. Bye, guys. Oh, my God. And I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys. Have a good weekend.